Valencia Harbor has a new furnished model and it is a showstopper. It's called the Nassau and it is one you definitely want to check out here at Valencia Harbor. This channel is focused on everything to do with living in Southwest Florida. If you're thinking about buying or selling or you just have questions, call or text me at 239-450-5786. If you're thinking about making a home and active adult living is right for you, click the link below and download my free Valencia Harbor Buyer's Guide. I hope you're enjoying this tour of the Nassau model. Just a quick note, when you start your process with new construction here in Southwest Florida, or really anywhere else in the country, the moment you contact the builder directly, you potentially lose your position of leverage by not having me with you. So call me today at 239-450-5786 and let's start your journey together. Remember, the builders have my compensation built into their pricing. If you don't have me with you, you don't save any money. The builder just keeps it for themselves. And don't forget, the sales representative at the sales models represents the builder, not you. Well, there you have your tour of the new model here at Valencia Harbor called the Nassau. Reach out to me today to schedule a free informational Zoom call or just call or text me at 239-450-5786 and let's start your journey together. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell to be notified about all future videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.